What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at Shane Van Gisbergen's 2024 number 16 Cup Series WeatherTech Chevrolet. Fantastic car. Very excited to be taking a look at it today. And let's go ahead and get into the box. Very nice. Very nice car, as you can see. Very excited. He ran a couple of Cup Series races last year. Don't believe he had any Cup Series wins, but hopefully that'll change in 2025 as he goes full-time to the number 88. So as you see here on the front, it's a little bit different than his Xfinity Series car because you get the Cup Series. 2024, the Collectibles Racing logo is up here instead of down here where his name is. Shane Van Gisbergen down here. Move over to the side, you got Shane Van Gisbergen, number 16 WeatherTech 2024 Camaro ZL1. Limited edition on the back. Pretty much the only thing that changes is the fact that Lionel Racing, the official diecast and NASCAR logo, is down there. You have the barcode on the top, very similar to all the other cars. NASCAR, you got your hologram, and on the bottom is, of course, all the copyright information. So let's go ahead and dive into this car. I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the box. All right, now we've got it out of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Camaro. If I can get my camera to focus. There we go. Gotta get in the right spot. Alrighty, so as you can tell, it's pretty much the same thing as his number 97 Xfinity Series, minus it being on the Cup body and the number being different. But you got the number 16, you got WeatherTech, you got Quad Lock, LA Golf, a number of safety calls were on there. You got Wendy's, and then leaf filter, SVG right up here with his, country's flag. Very, if you've already seen my video for the 97, very similar. Very similar car, minus the number and it being on a Cup Series body. The front, it's pretty much the same thing, just a larger grille. As you can see, the larger grille opening down here. You got the Collectibles Racing logo right there, weathertech.com, WeatherTech, and then of course you got the serrated, you have the little slots in the hood, which is pretty standard for the Cup Series cars. Going over to the passenger side, exact same thing as it is on the driver's side. Number 16, you get the Cup Series, WeatherTech, the nice simplistic design with the red and blue stripes coming down the car. And then in the back, of course, you have the rookie stripes, which we talked about in his number 97 video. Is going away for this next Cup Series season. And if you guys have already seen my Ross Chastain 2025 video that I put out, you'll know that the Camaro is coming off of here because the Camaro is no longer being made. It'll just say Chevrolet for this 2025 season. Rookie stripes. Then on the deck lid, you've got WeatherTech. You got Van Gisbergen up here on the back window, and then the number 16 in that high-vis color, and WeatherTech right there on the roof. So overall, very nice car. I love this car. You can see the bottom's pretty standard for the 2024 cars. With the redesign in this Gen 7 car. Very nice car. I love doing some of these videos, especially when they're so unique, and I think the SVG, Ross Chastain, and a lot of those guys had some very unique paint schemes last year that we're going to go over, and I can't wait to bring you guys some more of his paint schemes and the raced versions of his cars that he had in the Xfinity Series, because he won the 3 races. So I'll be bringing you guys those videos soon, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and there will be different drivers other than SVG and Ross Chastain, but if you guys can't tell, I'm a huge fan of the number 1 and the he'll be 88 this year. Here nowadays, I'm a very big fan of those guys. Love what they do over there, love their attitudes, love how they race. I know a lot of people don't agree with it, but I will be covering other cars as well, so bear with me, and I'll see you guys next time.